Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. You won't believe how tiny a baby panda is. What if I told you that one of the most beloved and seemingly giant animals on the planet starts its life smaller than a stick of butter? It sounds absolutely wild, but it's true. Get ready for a major cuteness overload, because today we're diving deep into the ridiculously adorable world of baby pandas, and we've got some hilarious and unbelievable facts you won't want to miss. A newborn giant panda is one of the tiniest mammal babies out there when compared to its mother. Imagine this, the mom weighs around 200 pounds, but her baby comes out weighing just 3 to 5 ounces. That means the mother is about 900 times bigger than her newborn. These tiny babies are born pink, blind, and with only a very thin coat of white fur, making them look more like a tiny, squeaking mouse than the fluffy black and white bears we all know and adore. For the first few weeks, these little ones are completely helpless and rely on their mothers for absolutely everything, from warmth to food to even helping them go to the bathroom. Now, here's a funny fact for you: mother pandas are incredibly dedicated, but they also have to be practical. In the wild, if a mother panda gives birth to twins, she will often choose to care for only the stronger one. This is because she simply doesn't have enough milk or energy to raise both cubs successfully. It's a tough world out there from day one. Another amusing detail is that for the first full month of their lives, baby pandas can't even open their eyes. They navigate their world entirely through sound and touch, letting out high-pitched squeals and chirps to get their mother's attention when they're hungry or cold. The transformation from a pink, nearly hairless creature to a fluffy ball of fun happens remarkably fast. Within about a month, they start to develop their iconic black and white markings and finally begin to look like miniature pandas. By the time they are 3 months old, they are attempting to crawl, which often results in a lot of clumsy but incredibly endearing tumbling and rolling. It's at this stage that their playful personalities really start to emerge. They will often try to climb all over their very patient mothers, who basically double as a living jungle gym. From a fragile, butter stick-sized newborn to a playful and boisterous cub, the first couple of years in a panda's life are a truly remarkable journey of growth and learning. Understanding these early stages is not just fascinating, it is also a critical component of the ongoing global conservation efforts. The dedicated work of researchers and breeding centers to ensure the survival of these vulnerable newborns is paramount to securing a future for this iconic species. If you enjoyed these amazing baby panda facts, please like, share, and subscribe.